Good afternoon and happy Friday from Regina Runs Real Estate. Are you having trouble finding that perfect house because everything you're finding looks like a complete ugly duckling? Or maybe you want something unique, you want some unique improvement that's hard to find? A renovation loan could be perfect for you. Why is a renovation loan better than trying to do the project yourself? Well, first of all, contractors are hard to find. And who has time to go back there constantly and supervise them and pick them and qualify them and look at their background? You don't have time for that. Credit card rates are so high, so putting it on your credit card is unattractive. Getting a home equity line is unattractive because not only is the rate high, but it's not tax deductible. So a renovation loan, we take the price of the home and the price of your improvements, and we add that together as your acquisition cost. And then you have your down payment and your mortgage. Your payment might only go up $300 or $400 for putting in a pool or $30,000 or $40,000 worth of improvements. And then you can deduct the interest on your taxes. So there's a lot of things that are attractive about this. There's a lot of new options. These loans are being able to be approved even faster. The average approval time from one of my preferred lenders is now around 35 days when it used to be around 90 days. The lender will qualify the contractor once you select them, make sure they make the background check, and they will supervise the entire process from start to finish. We now have these loan products available for FHA, VA, and conventional with as little as 3% down for FHA or conventional and as little as no money down for a VA loan. If you've been thinking about this kind of loan, give me a call and let's talk about it. I hope you have a great weekend.